How to fix the sound not working in Microsoft Teams. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. So if you find yourself that your sound and audio is not working in Microsoft Teams, so there are different fixes that you can do to fix the sound. So from here, I'm in my Microsoft Teams. What you can do first is that you can go to settings. So just click the three dots right here, click settings, and then from here, go to devices. From here, make sure you are using the correct speaker and microphone. So you can click the drop down and then choose the speaker that you are currently using so that you are sure that you are using the correct speaker for the sound. And then you can also go to notifications and activity. From here, make sure that the sound is also turned on. So make sure you are not in mute. And then you can go ahead and play the different sound notifications right here to see if it is working. And then once you see that you have your notification settings right here correct, as well as the devices, what you can do is that you can also open the volume in your desktop. So from here, you can click this part of your taskbar. Then you can see the volume right here is turned on, and you can see it is 100%. You can also open the sound mixer right here, or the volume mixer. So make sure you are using the correct output device. And then from here, make sure that your volume mixer has all of the volume right here at the correct volume. So you can see Microsoft Teams right here. It is set to 100%. And then those are the quick fixes that you can do to fix your sound in Microsoft Teams. So if it's still not working, what you can do is that you can right click this and then click troubleshoot sound problems. From there, there should be a window that will appear right here. So we just need to wait for a bit. And then this window should appear. And then from here, you can go ahead and follow the setup steps right here so that Windows or your desktop can go ahead and troubleshoot your sound or audio problems. And then that is basically it. So you just need to make sure you are using the correct settings for your audio. And then this troubleshoot wizard right here will go ahead and try to fix your problem and detect any problem in your audio. And then it will also ask you some questions if you heard some audio right here that is played by this software. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the sound not working in Microsoft Teams. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.